guys, welcome back to my channel. Well, what I have for you today is an Amazon fall haul. I found so many things for fall on Amazon. I'm obsessed. Yes, I know it might be a little early for some, but I love fall and I want to enjoy all my decor before I have to start decorating for Christmas. So I'm in fall heaven right now, even though it's very hot outside. Okay, let me show you the first thing that I found, and I'll link everything in the description box below, okay? This is a watch band for my Apple Watch. It just looks so pretty and fall. I love those sunflowers. I just love that. They had one that had a lighter background, but I wanted this really chocolate background. I love it. It's just every time I look at my wrist, I'm like, yay, fall. I'm a mess, what can I say? Okay, now this item is not fall related, but everything else is. I saw this Norwax, and it's a cleaning cloth. It cleans mirrors like, I have seen people on YouTube use it, and it's chemical free, and all you do is just wet it and wipe it on there and then dry it off. You get this little purple one and you get this gray one, and it really gives you a streak-free finish. Some of you may have the same problems I do, I don't know, and they're totally reusable. But when I spray, even the spray way, which I love, it kind of feels like it gets in my lungs and I can't breathe and I start coughing. This is a very healthy way to clean your mirrors, anything like that, and it gives you a streak-free shine. So I picked that up. I'm going to love this. It says that it removes everything, dust, dirt, and grease from all washable surfaces. Window cloth leaves shiny surfaces sparkling clean and dries quickly. Saves time and money by using only water. So I just picked up the basic package and I love it. I'm going to enjoy this so much. Okay, get ready for it. Here's where fall starts. All right, I said I was looking for tea towels on my stove that had the buffalo check. Well, I found them. Look at these. Are these not adorable? I love the buffalo check on the bottom. You get two when you order it, and this says fall is my favorite. It's on the front and the back. I love that buffalo check truck with those sunflowers. Can you tell I'm into sunflowers this year? I'm totally obsessed. And the pumpkins, I just love them. And then this one says thankful, front and back. And look at that pretty buffalo check pumpkin, and even the leaves are like a check. I love it. And then it has the buffalo check at the bottom. And they feel really soft and they're very large. So I picked up a set of these. Okay, I was wanting some plates for my dining room table. And that probably will be what you see on Friday. I think is going to be a decorate with me for fall in there, or the server, I'm not sure. But look at these plates. You get 4 place settings. Look at this. Is this not everything? I wanted a square plate. I love it. And I don't know if you can tell, but this has got that chocolate brown around it. It's got the little bees, those adorable sunflowers, and then look at this down through here. So beautiful. I love these. They're certified international. They're dishwasher and microwave safe, and it is a large plate. You could eat out of these. You could use them for decor. I love these. They're so beautiful. So like I said, you get 4 of these plates, and they're heavy too, but I just love them. And it looks like there's writing in the background right here. Is that not everything? I just love them. So here that is, and then here's the back. So beautiful. Then with that set, you get 4 salad plates, 4 bowls, and 4 mugs, okay? And these plates are a little different. Look at that. They have like that goldish yellow around the edges, that same little dimension down through here, and then those beautiful sunflower and bees. And you still get that writing. I hope you can see right there. These are gorgeous. So if you set them together, this is what we're getting so far. I am totally obsessed. Love them. So like I said, you get 4 of these salad plates, okay? And then you get 4 bowls. Look at this. These are so adorable. Look at that butterfly. Then there's like a wreath above the butterfly, and a wreath that goes all the way around, kind of, and it still has the little bees and that writing with the black around the rim. It's on the front and the back. Love these. You get 2 in this creamy color, and then you get 2 that are in the black. Look at that. And that is a bee. These have bees on these, the black ones. Look how beautiful that is. It's on the front and the back with that yellowish color at the top. I'm loving these. So you get, like I said, 4 of those, and then wait till you see these mugs. Oh my gosh, is that not everything? Look how adorable. It's just like the plates. It has the butterfly right here, and then you have the little bees, the writing, and then all that pretty like scallop decor. And then look down here, how beautiful that is. Looks so elegant. I love it. And I love that green because it has a little bit of variegated other colors in it. So beautiful. And like I said, you get 4 mugs, okay? So originally, I was just going to show you this Amazon haul, but I think I'm going to show you what I found at Walmart. What can I say? Let me go get my items from Walmart. Okay, get ready for it. Like I said earlier, my Walmart doesn't have everything out, but they're putting out little pieces, so I try to go there maybe once a week. Because they're really very slow at putting things out. Okay, look at these lights I found. They have the clear and this really pretty orangey yellow warm color. I picked up 2 packs of these. I love it because they're battery operated. You get 30 LED micro lights and 8 functions, and they're $4.98, okay? And I like it also because they have this brown cord, and this is the steady on, which is how I'll use it, but you can see they have so many other functions, and I think this will give such a warm glow to my mantle. And I wish I could find more, because if I could, I'd get them. I may go back and see what else they have. So I went ahead and picked up, like I said, 2 boxes of those. And then look at this, how adorable. It was $4.98. You can't beat Walmart for their prices. And it's a little cutting board that has that little jute string. And they had 2 different types. I like this one the best. Fall breeze and autumn leaves, and it looks older and has that buffalo check. And then look at those pumpkins down through there. Love this. I can't remember what the other one had, but it was really cute. And then we're going to go to TJ Maxx for one thing, okay? I walked in there looking for a throw to put on our new couch and love seat when we get them. I hope they come soon. But I couldn't find the throw, but look what I found. This was $9.99, and look at all these. You get 12 of these, and they look like little miniature pumpkins. And I even found another set that had even more, and it was $9.99, but they were a little bigger, and I didn't really want that. And this just calls, it just says naturals, but won't that be pretty in some sort of a little vignette or something for fall. I love it. So that concludes everything that I found at Amazon, Walmart, and TJ Maxx. I really, if you like these, I don't think these plates will last long, or these little tea towels. They're so adorable. I'm so excited. I can't stand it. This is my favorite time of year besides Christmas. So I would be happy if it was year round. It's so hot here all the time. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. It really helps me out on YouTube. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe and become a member of our family. And if you subscribe, hit that notification bell and set it to all so you won't miss an upload. I will see you tomorrow for a beyond mind-blowing Dollar Tree haul. They are killing it this year. I'm still looking for some items, but what I found, I'm very impressed with. So let me go get Maggie and let her say hi to you. Well, here is the baby, and she was down in her blankets, but she wasn't asleep. She says, I was waiting on my cue from Mama. Say hello, say hi, say I love you. Say I hope you have a good day. Yes, that's what Maggie hopes. So until next time, bye guys.